everyone, this is going to be my moving parts pour. So I have this funny little spinning top here, and I will try to use that, and that's why it's in a box. I will try and spin the top on it. So I'm going to do a few puddles and try and spin the top, and hopefully it will create some trails, I guess. The canvas has been prepped with a thin layer of an ivory generic acrylic, and it's been torched, and I guess I'll put a few different puddles around and see what happens with a couple of puddles and then maybe add to it. So this is quinacridone magenta. This I think is called iris. All of the paints are in the description. I'm going to put some gold here. This is Liquitex Basics Gold. This is some Prism Violet. This is Metallic Green. This is some Cadmium Yellow Light Hue. And I'll put just a little bit of Phthalo Blue at the bottom. Okay. Right, let's try and use this and see if I can get decent results with it. So you just wind it up like this a few times, apparently. And then that's quite effective, isn't it? Well, there is a lot going on over here. Let's try that again. It's quite late at night, so I shouldn't do it too many times. I think I'm going to do it with this this phthalo blue going into the yellow, because it's making this amazing phthalo green. Right, that's wound right up, so it should go for quite a long time. And I think I'm going to move it while it's doing this to try and get it to sort of zigzag back and forth. Whoa! My kitchen's covered. I think I'm going to stop there and just manipulate by hand now. This is really pretty here though. So the metallic teal has splashed over the Prism Violet, and it's created this kind of laced cells over the top. I think I'm going to torch. There's absolute carnage in my kitchen now. I'm glad I've got a wipe clean backsplash. Right, this bit's not really been covered properly. Here as well. Swirling this around a little bit, trying to break up some of the big blocks of colour. Okay, one last time, a little bit more gently now. This looks great here. Where shall I put it? Let's try over here. That's beautiful, isn't it? And that's done. Okay, painting's done. Yeah, so I'm just gonna try and lever this out of the box because I think it will get stuck in the bottom of the box too much. There we go. Okay, so I will patch up the edges using that same paint. And then move it to a different place to dry. Oh, there we go. That's that done. Okay, there we go, folks. This is my moving parts pour. I'm going to torch one last time because I can see bubbles again.